Good evening, students of class 8th, 11th, and 12th ASM. Today we are starting with Unit 8 Back in Time. That is Unit 8 Back in Time. ASL Listening Activity. Listening. Nilesh is sharing the experience of his holidays with his friends Rahul and Ravi. Read these sentences and fill in the gaps, that means fill in the blanks, as you listen to their conversation. So I will be reading that conversation for you. You have to listen very carefully and attentively twice, then only try to fill in the gap. Listen to the conversation twice. As you listen, mark your answers very carefully. I am reading out the conversation for you now. Ravi. Hi Nilesh. Hi Rahul. Wow. It's good to be back in school. Rahul. What Rahul says now? I agree. But the holidays sure did fly. I can't believe it is the second term already. Nilesh, yes, my vacation passed in a jiffy too. Ravi, vacation? Where did you go? Anywhere interesting? Nilesh, yes, Dad took me to Jodhpur. We did not want to go far from Delhi, and the idea of exploring old forts seemed real fun. Rahul, ah, the forts of Rajasthan. There is so much of history in each of them. Which one did you go to? Did you have a good time? Nilesh, it was an amazing experience. Really. We visited three of them, but I particularly enjoyed the Mehragar Fort. It is ancient and it is huge, and it was the place of the Rathors of Jodhpur. Ravi, hey, isn't this the place where Batman was filmed? Nilesh, yes, yes, that's the one. That's what made it fun to start with. But the fort got me hooked to real stories from history. Nilesh says that. Now, what Rahul says further? Historic stories? That must have been boring. Nilesh, oh no, not at all. The trip turned out to be quite an adventure. We hired elephant to take us into the fort. I became friends with the Mahut. Mahut means the person who drives the elephant. He is Mahut. Okay. He must have been about our age. The stories he told me about Maharaja Man Singh, how he prepared for battles, how the royal family spent their leisure time. Leisure time means their spare time, free time. Okay. The royal sports and the high level war plans and strategies. Just like it says in our history book. I could not believe I was I could not believe I was, what he says further, standing where it all happened. I walked into rooms like kings must have lived in. I was speechless. Ravi, what Ravi says further now, that must have been really wonderful. The high and mighty forts of the Rajputs, that's the stuff of legends. Nilesh, what Nilesh says further at last now, the last part of the conversation. I felt as though I was inside a dream world. Just to stand there and to have a view of a city fully painted blue. I imagined how the king must have felt riding back into the fort on an elephant after winning a battle grand, I say. So, this is the conversation all about. Listen to the conversation twice, then only try to fill in the blank. Listen to the conversation twice, then only try to fill in the blank. For a while, you can read the question in your book. If you are having an ASL dialogue book, you can read the question given below of the fill in the blanks very carefully. I will be reading those questions for you. You can write in your copy those questions of fill in the gaps, then try to fill in the blank very carefully and very attentively. So, we are starting with the question part now. Unit 8, back in time. Okay. Now, listening exercise we are doing. Sorry. A part of the question now. Nilesh is sharing his holiday experience with his friends Rahul and Ravi. What you have already listened to that, what I have read for you, the conversation. Read these sentences and fill in the gaps as you listen to their conversation once or twice. You are done. Listen to the conversation again and then try to complete the exercise. So, first fill in the blank I am reading for you. Nilesh did not want to go too far from dash. Second fill in the blank I am reading for you. Nilesh's visit to the forts was an dash experience. Third fill in the blank I am reading for you. The fort got Nilesh interested in real stories from dash. Fourth one I am reading for you. Nilesh thinks his trip turned out to be quite an dash. Fifth one I am reading for you. Nilesh hired dash to take him into the fort. Sixth one I am reading for you. The Mahut means the person who drives an elephant. The Mahut told Nilesh stories about Maharaja dash. Seventh one I am reading for you. Most of Jodhpur city is painted dash. Eighth one I am reading for you. Nilesh felt that it would be dash to ride on an elephant like the king. Okay, so this was the A part of the question, the A task. Now I will be reading the B task for you. Only one MCQ question is given in that. That is the multiple choice question. Choose the correct option. You have to choose the correct option in this. Nilesh found his experience of visiting the forts of Jodhpur to be option number A, new and exciting. Option number B, new but boring. Option number C, not new but enjoyable. So these are the questions you have to do in your copy. Listen to the conversation very attentively and very carefully. As you listen, then only try to mark the correct answer. Okay? Do it nicely. Good luck. Thank you very much.